Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Jannatul Firdaus Sneha. My registration number is 21201152. Our project name is Automatic Water Level Indicator. Now I'm gonna describe about basic equipment we have used in our project. We have used total 9 equipments. Here our first equipment is Arduino Uno. First one is analog and second one is digital. Then LCD and I2C module. Here in I2C module have pins which we have to attach with the pins of LCD module. And now we have used ultrasonic sensor. Here we can see ultrasonic sensor has 4 pins. They are VCC, trigger, echo and ground. We also have one off switch. So here we have 3 types of jumper wires and we have used only 2 types of wires in our project. They are female to male and male to male. And here we have mini breadboard. We use it to connect the wires. And lastly, we have used mini LED lights. Now other parts of our project will be explained by another member of our group. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Fahad Pradhan. My registration number is 21201151. Our project name is Automatic Water Level Indicator. And now I am going to describe about the sensor we have used in our project. Our sensor name is ultrasonic sensor. An ultrasonic sensor is an instrument that measures the distance to an object using ultrasonic sound waves. An ultrasonic sensor uses a transducer to send and receive ultrasonic pulses that relay back information about an object's proximity. The working principle of this module is very simple. It sends an ultrasonic pulse at the rate of 40,000 kHz, which travels through the air, and if there is an obstacle or object, it will bounce back to the sensor. By calculating the travel time and the speed of sound, the distance can be calculated. There are total 4 types of pins in an ultrasonic sensor. Those are VCC, which we are inputting, plus 5 volt current, and the second one is trigger, third one is echo pulse, which receives the echo of ultrasonic sound, and the last one is the ground, which is connected with the ground of our Arduino. The maximum depth we can measure by our sensor is 400 centimeter or 4 meters, and the minimum working distance of our sensor is 2 centimeters. Now there are 4 connections with the Arduino. That ground 2 of Arduino is connected with the ground of sensor, and plus 5 volt is connected at VCC. Digital 4 is connected with echo, and digital 3 is connected with trigger. Now there is a simple animation which shows us the working of an ultrasonic sensor. There we can see that our sensor is providing a signal ultrasonic and receiving it and measuring the distance. The trigger is shooting ultrasonic sound, transmitting the signal, that is the work of the transmitter, and receiving echo pulse by the echo. And that's how we can calculate the distance of ultrasonic sound, and that's the technology we have used in our project. The rest of the topics will be discussed by another group members. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Rezwan Haq and my registration number is 21201154. My topic is circuit diagram. Here we are using a battery to power up our entire system. That's why we had to connect the positive chains of battery to the Arduino V pin and to connect the ground of battery to the ground of Arduino. Since we are using laptop to upload the code, so we do not need any external power supply at this moment. Besides, we are using ultrasonic sensor. So here ultrasonic sensor's VCC pin will be connected to high volt and With this, we have connected the ground of ultrasonic sensor to Arduino ground. In addition, for trigger pin, we have select digital pin 2 and we have connected echo pin with digital pin 3. Moreover, we have used 3 LED. We have connected the ground of LED by Arduino ground. We have selected 9, 11 and 13 blue, green and red for LED. Also, we have used a display which will show water percentage. For that, we have connected ground to Arduino ground, and for display, we have connected VCC to displays. I2C modules VCC to Arduino's 5 volt, and to SD we connected analog pin 4, and also in ACL we have connected analog pin 5, so that our entire system can communicate to displays I2C module and to Arduino by using I2C. Now I am showing the circuit simulation.
My name is Mr. Rahman. My registration number is 2120115, and our project name is Automatic Water Level Injector. And now I am talking about the purposes of our project. The water level injector is a device that tells how much water is in a tank or container. It has display that shows the water level so anyone can see it easily. Then the main purposes of our water level injector are knowing how much water you have. It helps you to keep track of the amount of water in the tank or container so you know how much is available for you. And the next, preventing overflow. It warns you when the water level gets too high so you can stop filling it and avoid spilling water everywhere. And the third one is saving water. By knowing exactly how much water you have, you can use it more efficiently and avoid wasting it. The fourth one is avoiding running out of water. If you need a constant supply of water for something like a machine or a garden, the injector ensures that there is always enough water in the tank. It alerts you when the water level is getting low so you can refill it. And the last one is making things easier. Some injectors can be controlled remotely so you can check the water level from a distance using your phone or computer. That is some of our visual representation of our project, and our other parts of our project we will discuss with our other members.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is MD Jahidul Islam and the registration number of mine is 21201155. Our project name is Automatic Water Level Indicator and my topic is coding details and demo video. So let's go to the coding details. First of all, we initialized two libraries, which is y.h and liquid crystal I2C. So each of the libraries can control mainly control the L2C display, and there is an instance named LCD, and the instance is included in class liquid crystal underscore I2C class, and the number of 0 into 27, which is the address of I2C module, and 16 is the row number, and 16 is the column number, and 2 is the row numbers. So here we initialize the some of variables which is used in next part, and then we call the setup function. Then we initialize the LCD display uh, by type the lcd.init function, by called lcd.init function, and we you turn on the backlight by call the function of lcd.backlight function. Okay, then after all, when the setup function is called, the display will be on or reset. Then first of all, the display will show indicator on manually, and these are the pin numbers of some of them. Delay, we just delay 2000 millisecond, which is equal to 2 seconds, and then we clear the LCD clear function. We call the loop function detect the sensor by in every 2 seconds, and then we just calculate the percentage of the water level, and we set if percentage is less than 0, then we just set the percentage level equal to 0. If the water level is less than or equal 10%, then the red light will be blink up. So that for that we just use here the for function, the for loop, and call the if else condition. If the water level is 95 or equal greater than or equal 95, then the blue light will be blink up. In the 9th pin, the blue light is in Arduino 9th pin. So that the blue light will be blink up, and will be display tank is full. If the percentage level is less than 95 and greater or equal 80, then the blue light will be just lighten up, and display will be higher layer. If the percent level water level is less than 80, and the percent level water level is greater or equal 40, then the green light will be lighten up, and display the middle layer. If the water level is less than 40, and the water level is greater or equal 10, then the display will be it will be display low layer, and the red light will be lighten up. And if we already knew that if the water level is less equal 10 and greater equal 0, then the red light will be blink up. So that we just call here the blink function, and it will be display fill up tank to us to the fill up tank, else it will be empty tank, and the red light will be blink up. Now I am just talk about the demo video.
আচ্ছা, আমি ধরে নিলাম আপাতত আমার হচ্ছে পানির ওয়াটার লেভেল ইন্ডিকেটরটা হচ্ছে অফ আছে, সেন্সর নিচে আছে। ধরে নিলাম আমি নিচের টুকু হচ্ছে পানির লেয়ার, তো নিচের যে পানির লেয়ারটা যদি খাতাটা যদি উপরে তুলি, তার মানে লেয়ার বাড়বে, আর সেটা সেন্সরটা ডিটেক্ট করে হচ্ছে আমাকে মান দিবে, ভ্যালু দিবে। আচ্ছা, এখন হচ্ছে যে আমি আগে ইয়েটা অন করি, ইন্ডিকেটরটা অন করলাম, ওয়াটার লেভেল সে এখন দিচ্ছে, আমি উপরে দিলাম একদম 37%, সে আমাকে হচ্ছে রেড লাইট ব্লিঙ্ক করে আছে। ওকে, এবার আমি আস্তে আস্তে উপরে তুলবো, আর এটার মানটা আস্তে আস্তে বাড়বে, আস্তে আস্তে পানির লেয়ার উপরে উঠতেছে। 40-এর উপরে উঠলে গ্রিন লাইট জ্বলবে, 40-এর বেশি থেকে উপরে উঠলো 80 পর্যন্ত হলে গ্রিন লাইট মিডল লেয়ার। এবার হচ্ছে হায়ার লেয়ারে হচ্ছে তার 80-র পর থেকে 95 পর্যন্ত, 95-এর আগ পর্যন্ত, 95-এর পরে হচ্ছে সে ওয়াটার ট্যাঙ্ক ইজ ফুল, সে হচ্ছে আমাকে ডিটেক্ট করবে।
যখন আমি এতটুকু আনলাম তখন হচ্ছে সে আমাকে ডিটেক্ট করবে। আরেকটু উপরে তুলো। ট্যাঙ্ক ইজ ফুল 89%, 98%, 99%। ট্যাঙ্ক ইজ ফুল। ওকে, তো আমাকে এটা হচ্ছে ওয়াটার লেয়ার নিচ থেকে এতটুকু পর্যন্ত আনলাম, আর সে আমাকে হচ্ছে ব্লু লাইট ব্লিঙ্ক করে দেখাবে। অফ করে দিলাম।